Hi, and welcome to PFI TV. In this video, I'm going to show you the right way to prepare your pattern before you lay out and cut your fabric. That way you can trust your cut and sew with confidence. If you haven't already, be sure to check out our other videos about the right tools for your sewing kit, how to thread your machine, and choosing the right fabric for your project.
Patterns come in multiple sizes. You'll want to know which size is right for you.
Remember that paper pattern sizing can be very different from the sizes of clothing you find in a store.
For any pattern with a top, measure your bust or chest snugly. For any pattern that's just a bottom, like a skirt or these pants, measure your hips at the widest part, typically 7 inches down from your waist. Look at the body measurements chart on the pattern envelope. That's your pattern size. Hot tip, check the difference between the finished garment measurement and the body measurement. The difference is called ease. These casual pants should have at least 2 inches of ease.
Your pattern comes folded. First step, unfold it.
Look for your pattern pieces listed in the instructions. In this case, I want the pieces for the front, back, waistband, and pocket. Next, find your size on the pattern piece. PFI patterns have sizes in different colors and are labeled. That's not true of all patterns, so you may want to circle the lines for your size if they're hard to see.
Using paper scissors with long blades, trim around your pattern pieces, just outside the cutting line.
If you're using an old school pattern, cut off the notches. We have a better way for you to note these match points.
Press your pattern pieces with a dry iron on the wrong side to ensure an accurate cut. At this point, if you want to fit your pattern, you'll need to watch our Get the Right Fit videos. But if you're ready to cut your fabric, hang tight. Trust the Cut Part 2 is coming up next. You got this. And don't worry, we cover all this information and more in every one of our PFI patterns. Check the video description below for a discount code to use in our online store. Thanks for watching PFI TV. Make sewing your superpower, and I'll see you next time.